Hello friends, today I tell you about top 5 best treadmills in India for home use 2021. I am Naveen Kumar, welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. If you are looking for the best treadmill for your home, then this video is for you. A wise man had said once, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If the character is lost, everything is lost. What does this statement indicate? It reiterates that the health of the individual is any day more crucial than her wealth. And yet, we people run after wealth all our lives. It is time we concentrated on the health aspect as well. We are all enduring the lockdown today with no opportunity to go out and have a nice walk. Staying indoors means one tends to binge on food, thereby causing us to become denser at the waist. By the time the lockdown ends, most of us would have put on additional weight. Going to gyms in today's scenario is not an advisable thing at all. A better option is to buy a treadmill so that everyone can use it at home. Buying a treadmill can be quite a challenge. One has to look at several aspects. This treadmill buying guide attempts to clear the misconceptions and make it simple for the buyer. Before discussing the details of purchasing the best treadmill for your home, here are some benefits of using the treadmill at home. Exercising in your homes is any day economic to working out in a gym. Having a treadmill at home entails that one can use it at any time. Every member of the family can use the appliance and improve their fitness levels. In these times of coronavirus, it might be around with us for a long time. Using a treadmill at home reduces the chances of contracting the disease from others. All product best buying link given in description. If you buy from this link, the channel will be of great help and maybe you get some discount. One of the best treadmills in India. Number 5 on my list, Healthgenie 3911M 2.5 HP Peak Motorized Treadmill. Healthgenie treadmills are one of the most user-friendly machines available in India. One of the highlights of this device is the DIY installation feature that can guide you through the installation process. Fantastic features of the Healthgenie 3911M motor: 1 HP motor with a peak capacity of 2.5 HP speed, a range between 0.8 to 10 km per hour, accessories 12 preset programs, warranty 1 year on the motor and other parts, installation, do-it-yourself installation facility available. The Healthgenie 3911M is light and foldable motorized treadmill that should satisfy all the requirements of a fitness enthusiast. The DIY installation guide helps you to install the machine on your own without waiting for the technician from the company. However, Healthgenie offers excellent on-site service support across India. This treadmill offers excellent cardio workout facilities at home, whereby you do not have to go to a gym at all. Compared to the other treadmills discussed above, this machine works on a 1.0 HP DC motor capable of delivering a peak output of 2.5 HP. Therefore, one should not expect the speeds to exceed 10 km/h. However, the ideal rate should be in the range of 8 km/h. It is advisable to install a separate stabilizer before using the machine. The running surface is comparable with the other products on offer at 43 inches by 15 inches. It can support a human weighing a maximum of 100 kg. The best aspect of this machine is that it is foldable. Hence, it is a space-saving device, an essential requirement for a treadmill designed for home use. The treadmill is equipped with wheels on its sides to make it a portable appliance. This machine comes equipped with a 3-inch LCD to provide essential feedback, including speed, time, distance, pulse rates, and calories burned during the exercise routine. The treadmill comes with a unique pulse sensor attachment on the handlebar to measure your heart rate. The Healthgenie 3911M is a safe machine to exercise because of the presence of the safety key that includes an emergency stop button on the handrail. You can combine entertainment along with your exercise, as this treadmill comes with speakers that connect to your pen drives or other devices. Pros: the ideal value for its price, fantastic performance, DIY installation saves time and money. Cons: the treadmill is a bit noisy in comparison to its peers, not ideal for heavy users and those with professional requirements. If you want to buy, the Amazon link given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. One of the best treadmills in India. Number 4 on my list, MAXPRO PTM 405 2 HP 4 HP peak folding treadmill. MAXPRO PTM405 is a beast of a treadmill when you go through its fantastic features. This machine is available on Amazon with exciting discounts. It qualifies as one of the best treadmills available in India under 28,000 rupees. Features in brief. Motor 2.0 HP with a peak capacity of 4 HP speed, maximum of up to 14 km per hour. Accessories, pulse rate monitoring warranty, 1-year installation support, available. MAXPRO PTM405 takes exercising at home to an entirely different level altogether. This folding treadmill boasts of a unique space-saving design. As it comes equipped with a sturdy frame, it is one of the most reliable machines to have at home. This treadmill is a multi-purpose machine because it helps to lose weight and build endurance. The user-friendly controlling options allow you to set the speed according to your requirements in the range of 1 to 14 km/h. The machine runs on a 2 HP motor that can deliver a peak power output of 4 HP if required. The shock-absorbing technology ensures there is minimum vibration when using this device. Secondly, the mute function eliminates noise. Hence, the user can go on with the exercising job silently. Above all, this treadmill conserves energy, thereby proving its utility as one of the most efficient of treadmills available in the country. This treadmill possesses a soft, durable, and long-lasting running surface measuring 115 by 42 centimeters. The soft drop hydraulic mechanism allows you to fold the machine safely and without any hassles after completing your workout. The built-in transportation wheels enable you to shift the device anywhere comfortably. The machine comes with 12 preset programs to enable an efficient workout. These programs include pulse and heart rate monitoring options. This treadmill has 3 manual incline settings that help burn more calories, increase endurance levels, and build up layers of muscles. Apart from these features, the MAXPRO PTM405 comes with exciting entertainment options like aux input where you can plug your smartphone or MP3 player. Inserting a USB pen drive is also possible whereby you can enjoy your favorite music while exercising. The machine comes with a lifetime warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for the motor and other parts. Pros. Ideal for heavy people weighing around 90 kg. High quality, durable motor, energy efficient and space saving appliance. Cons. A bit on the expensive side, but discounts are available on Amazon. Comes to a sudden halt at the time of a power cut, thereby increasing chances of injury. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. One of the best treadmills in India. Number 3 on my list. Fitkit FT200 Series 2.25 HP, 4.5 HP peak, motorized treadmill. Fitkit is one of the top treadmill brands available in India. The Fitkit FT200 series is a complete fitness solution by itself. Besides providing excellent exercising options, this treadmill offers various free services including medical consultation and diet plans. Salient features of Fitkit FT200 series: motor 2.25 HP motor with a peak capacity of 4.5 HP speed, up to 16 km/h. Accessories: heart rate and pulse rate monitoring available. Warranty: 1 year on the motor. Installation services available. Other features: dedicated mobile app and Amazon Alexa. The FT200 series from Fitkit comes with modern amenities to make exercising a pleasurable activity. Besides the regular features, this treadmill offers additional free services like activity tracking, medical consultation, fitness plans with videos, diet tracking, and 3-month diet plans. The company provides at-home installation in more than 650 cities across the country. The distinguishing feature of this treadmill is the compatibility with Amazon Alexa. This feature allows you to use voice commands to control your fitness equipment. The facility of a dedicated mobile app for activity tracking is also available. The FT200 series is different from other treadmills because it offers an automatic inclination facility and auto lubrication. You can change the inclination using the services of Alexa. Thus, exercising at home becomes a fun-filled activity. One of the highlights is the DC green, efficient 2.25 HP motor capable of providing a peak output of 4.5 HP. Therefore, users ranging from beginners to pros enjoy working out on the FT200. The running belt is of the highest quality, with shock-absorbing features to enhance the convenience factor. Professionals prefer the multi-layered running belt because of its non-slippery nature. Changing the inclination is comfortable with this treadmill. The auto inclination with a convenient soft drop system allows you to alter your inclination angles without stepping down from the machine or stopping your exercising routine. This treadmill offers a range of preset options such as heart rate monitoring, speed and distance calculator, and so on. These options are available on an LCD screen. The machine also comes equipped with heart rate sensors on the handlebars. The device allows you to choose strenuous workouts with speeds up to 16 km/h as it can support up to 110 kg. It is one of the most convenient machines available today. Some of the additional features available are free personal trainer, nutritionist, and medical consultant. This feature allows you to customize the machine according to your requirements. Besides, you can connect your smartphone with the F+ app and control the device. Trainer videos are available on the app to improve your exercising routines. Users can track their dieting activity and consult the dietitian using F+ chat support. Pros: provides excellent value for the money you spend. Excellent connectivity features, smooth and comfortable operations. Cons: users have complained of facing difficulty while folding the machine. The stability quotient needs improvement. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. One of the best treadmills in India. Number 2 on my list. PowerMax Fitness TDM 100M 2.0 HP Motorized Foldable Electric Treadmill. Exercising at home should never be an issue when you have the PowerMax Fitness TDM 100M treadmill as your trusted companion. Besides helping you to maintain your shape, these machines occupy as little space as possible. 0 HP DC motor, 6-level manual incline for your intensive workouts, 5 inches LED display, maximum user weight 105 kg, speed of 0.8 to 14.8 km/h, 3-year warranty on the motor. If space is at a premium in your house, this treadmill is the best bet. This machine does not occupy more than 1 square meter without having to disassemble it. You can keep track of your speed, pulse rates, time, distance covered, calories used, and incline with the help of the 5 inches LED display. It also features an iPad and water bottle holder. Adhering to the preset workout programs helps keep the routine fresh and challenging. It also helps maximize your time and ensure the perfect workout. Monitor your heart rate by using the grip pulse sensor and ensure that your vital parameters are within the target zone. This machine comes with multifunctional utilities like instant massages for hips, thighs, and the stomach. Enhance your overall mood by listening to your favorite songs while exercising. This machine comes with inbuilt speakers and an aux input to insert your pen drives or smartphone cables. This treadmill is ideal for you if you weigh less than 80 kilograms. However, it can withstand a maximum weight of 105 kilograms. The semi-auto lubrication feature allows the lubrication of the movable parts and enhances the overall lifespan of the appliance. The dual spring shock absorption provides the ideal cushioning to protect your ankles and knees. The double-layered running board minimizes the stress on your knees, ankles, and hips by adjusting the belt speed to match your exercising routines. This treadmill comes with excellent safety features in the form of an anti-skid running belt with a 6-ply running board that prevents unnecessary accidents and reduces shocks. Though the treadmill consumes little space, the hydraulic soft drop system folding feature enables the smooth unfolding of the treadmill when not in use. The auto stop safety feature prevents untoward accidents by stopping the functioning of the machine if you fell out of balance on the running board. This treadmill draws its power from an efficient motor that makes the least noise, thereby causing no disturbance to your neighbors as you proceed with your workouts. The precision machined roller enables the belt to remain centered at all times. Besides enhancing the smooth functioning, it enhances the lifespan of the running belt and bearings. Pros: the 2 HP motor makes minimum when functioning. This treadmill is easy to disassemble and reassemble whenever required. The device is ideal for people of all ages. Cons: the machine displays some inaccuracies when reporting heart rate. It does have a pause mode. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. One of the best treadmills in India. Number 1 on my list. PowerMax Fitness TDM 12 HP Pre-Installed Motorized Treadmill. When it comes to treadmills, there is nothing better than the PowerMax fitness machines. This treadmill, the TDM1, is an ideal one for people of all ages. This machine is convenient to set up and use, thereby qualifying as one of the best treadmills in India. 0 HP DC motor withstand a maximum weight of 100 kg, manual incline for intense workouts, LCD monitor, speed of 1.0 to 14 km/h if weather conditions and air pollution make it impossible to venture outside. The PowerMax Fitness TDM1 treadmill can help you maintain your fitness levels at home. Here is a modern treadmill that comes with features like a Bluetooth app to monitor your workout intensity. This treadmill can keep you in good shape. However, it has a shapely appearance as well because of the brick-shaped body design that is simple yet ergonomic to keep you comfortable. This machine features an LCD monitor to display crucial parameters like time, speed, distance, heart rates, calories, program, and manual incline for an intense workout. This treadmill comes with an excellent configuration such as MCU, LCD drive, and touching key clip. The 1.5 HP motor is robust enough to deliver a knockout performance. This machine can withstand a total weight of 100 kg. However, it is better if the user weighs 75 kg or less to get the full benefit of all its features. On the safety front, this treadmill is excellent as you can control the speed and stop the brake at any time on the control panel. The highlight of this appliance is the plug and run installation procedure. It is fit for action right out of the package. The safety clip is an excellent feature. You can attach the hook to the clothes when starting your workout. The machine will stop automatically if it senses you falling or going out of balance. The incredible shock absorption features protect your knees and ankles from the impact of your workouts. It uses the same technology present in professional running shoes to absorb the impact and increase the resilience, thereby protecting you from injury. The wide and flat running surface allows you to train without restricting your running motion. The treadmill belt is designed specially to reduce the impact by up to 25%. The space-saving design of this treadmill is the talking point. It allows you to fold the machine and keep it safe when not in use. The steel rollers come with dynamic balancing features to keep the belt at the center and ensure smooth movement. Pros: the motor performance is satisfactory without making any noise. The hydraulic folding feature is a cool one. This machine has enough running space and also keep your water bottle and mobile phone. Cons: the display gets reset once the machine stops. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.